from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter.
Hello guys, and welcome to Dede's home interior. We went to Maryland this past week for spring break, and in Maryland I decorated and made over my mother-in-law's living room, and I am very happy to show you guys how that turned out. In this video I will be doing a spring living room makeover. Decorate with me. It is supposed to be a modern minimalistic look, and I am very excited because my parent-in-laws just moved into a new house. I came over for spring break and also to take time and just redecorate some spaces in the house, one of which was this formal living room. We were going in for a modern minimalistic look on a very tight budget, and we wanted to create the most for less. And that brings me to telling you guys that if you are new to this channel, hello and welcome. On this channel I show you guys how to create luxury modern looks for less without breaking the bank. As you can see, I am in our local home decor store, Burlington to be precise. I actually visited a couple of stores like Ross and Home Goods to pick up a few things, just because we did not want to go far away from the house and we wanted to stay on a tight budget. Seeing these vases reminded me of Joss and Maine vases that are $135, but here it was about $10. What a steal. I would take that over $135. So I cannot wait to show you guys exactly how this living room turned out. Just a side note, my mother-in-law really did not have a specific decor style. From the pictures and from the ideas, I could tell that she wanted something modern, but every now and then she would drift towards traditional. So it was a mix of everything. She loves glam too, and she also loves contemporary. So she loved a little bit of everything, and I just wanted to bring some of her vision to life, and the simplistic, beautiful look that she wanted is what we were going for. So yeah, please stay tuned to see how the living room turned out and how we put everything together. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. On this channel, we do a lot of home decor inspiration and ideas, and obviously some organization, pretty much because I'm a mom of 3 little human beings, and being organized is definitely a must for me and my sanity. So if you love to see how I create exceptional spaces on a budget, please subscribe to this channel, and of course turn on your notification bell so you would always be the first to know every single time I upload videos like this. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I appreciate you. Thank you so much for always sticking around and coming back for more. Before we jump into the space, just a quick FYI, I have some amazing content that you might not have caught up on yet. I have the kitchen organization, specifically the under sink makeover, that I'm pretty sure you have not watched, and it's amazing content. I have the modern organic home. I have the modern contemporary decor style that I have on this channel, and I also have my living room makeover and tour after the makeover. Guys, you are going to love it. So this is me at Ross trying to find the perfect rug for the space, and I thought I found it because this was very beautiful and very soft, and I was just obsessed. Now I just wanted to take you guys back on this vase that I got from Burlington, which is going to be the star of the show. So here we are at my mother-in-law's house. I have my husband and his brothers pretty much helping out with the setting up of the space. There was a rug that was here before, which was a little bit more traditional than what I would have loved and what even my mother-in-law liked. She loved this rug a lot better. I think they were having too much fun. And yeah, so we decided to replace the rug, and of course this is what the space looks like. The curtains, not very properly measured. I didn't get the right measurement as well from them, so you can see it hanging out a little bit, but it's okay. We were not ready to change things out. My parent-in-laws are older and we didn't want to stress them out. My mother-in-law was very big on minimalism, and she did not want something or a lot of things on the wall. And if we're going to add anything later, it's just going to be family pictures. She really wants a lot of family pictures, which is what I'm working with her on, because I want us to have, you know, like a gallery wall rather than just have all the colors of family pictures that you can see in the world. So I was just trying to keep her on track with everything so that we don't have too many colors, because if I left it for my beautiful mama, she would want to put a million colors here without realizing. Sometimes she just sees something red and she's so obsessed about it, sees something blue and she's obsessed about it, and then she doesn't really think in her mind that when you put them all together in the living room is going to look like a rainbow. But yeah, we had to start somewhere. So this is the furniture that they got, and we are just going to help put them together and then just redecorate the space. We did not do too much, but we did something just to make it look really nice, cozy and welcoming. And this living room is obviously the formal living room. This is not the family room where we are always at. This is going to be barely used. So I just wanted to also make it very nice, cozy and inviting as well. My father-in-law was there giving his directions. His kids were there doing their thing. They got this table from a store and it's super glam. But anyway, yeah, I'll just show you guys a little bit of how I put together everything using exactly what they had, and then a little bit of what I got from the store as well.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do.
Just a side note, I will not recommend these pillows to any one of you because the quality is not the best, and we just wanted to stay on the budget and use what they had already. And because this space is not going to be very much used, I decided to just play along with it. And of course, here is the review, and I hope you love it. I am obsessed with the space. I love the simplicity. I love how beautiful the space looks.
You were over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when.
And boy, oh boy, one thing I'm gonna say is this coffee table is definitely a masterpiece. It is very, very beautiful and unique. And if you're into glam, this is the coffee table for you. If you see this anywhere, please purchase it. It was gotten from a local vendor, and I do not remember the name of the store. If I do, I'm going to link it down below for you guys. And I was just super obsessed. These pillows, I think, were gotten from Walmart. Again, like I said earlier, the quality is not the best. It's super hard and it was very difficult to use. Our curtains, we're going to steam them, guys, so don't come for me. I just wanted to do a quick tour of the space before we finish up everything we have to do. But yeah,
Being alone, well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too.
like I had said at the start of the video, these vases were the star of the show, and I really liked how they made a statement. So many people asked questions about these vases, and I am happy that people liked them. This wall art was specifically picked by my mother-in-law, and she has a whole story about this art, about what life is looking at this art, and she had a very interesting explanation about it, and I was very, very happy to have learned something from her. It is glamorous, but it is very, very inspiring, so I love it as well, and it was gotten from at home stores. And this is the rest of the space. I hope you enjoy it. Please give me your thoughts. Tell me what you think. Tell me how we did, and I'd love to know your thoughts. Please share this video with someone to also inspire them to decorate their space or to just enjoy a beautiful living room makeover. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video and in our other videos as well.
Would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.